Hello guys, I'm Harun Quaz to tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail password. In case you have lost your Gmail password, forgot your Gmail password, or hijacked hacked your Gmail password, what's the best strategy to recover it, rescue it? Unfortunately, this area has been recommended by one viewer who has lost her, device. So due to that, she was unable to. She was not in a position to reset her Gmails because she doesn't have the recovery email and recovery phone so that she can reset. So she has recommended let's the approach by alternative options. What are alternative and how can I recover? What's the alternative approach will be suitable to the rescue option this side we will see live, but this is only for institution purposes. Don't misuse it, guys. We don't have a phone, so just we will pick that we don't have a phone, so just we will have to explain the appropriate options. Here is also saying that by providing sufficient information, so this can be recovered. Otherwise, you did not provide enough information for Google to be sure that this account is really yours. See here. So of course this can be recovered. Try again, answer is question so on. And second, if your account is managed with the family link, should be have sent and emails to change your the parents to change your password. So here is a thing, should we have sent an email to your parents to change your password. So here what we will have to do, by both options we will quit because this is not possible from my side. So we will try to approach the alternative option. So tap on especially go in the menu, we will come in the Play Store. Right here, Opera browser with AI, and virtual private networks. These VPNs will of course assist to us to customize the precise location. So this will be very beneficial to other cover. Now here, check it out in that Google browser. Take any smartphones, apply the similar strategy, and you will see that what kind of the result you will get. You know that's what a status in this is. Now we will come the notification. In a notification we will have to here check it out. You will have enabled, so the make it off is finds that and all of that. Will come the permission. In the permission, see here we will have a special location, so navigate the location by making the precise location off, customize it, then of course we will click here don't allow. So here is essential that if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended. For time being I'm doing it, so the files we have lectures and then we will have to back. If we go for backs, one more thing so that we will have to inspections, of course, how it is and what is it is open by default. Open by default, so there shouldn't be open. If it is open, so then you have to clear all the links. So right now of course we have the taken one smartphone, we are not going to clear, but we have make it disable open supported links files. So now we will cut it from here. Once again we know that Chrome is also product of, so we will have to apply similar strategy on it also. We'll tap on it, we will come in a special notification. Notification is enabled, so of course we will have to make it disabled. Then we will have to backs, tap on a permission, guys, and come in the location, make the precise location of, click on don't allow. So if it denies this permission, the basic features of your device may no longer the function is intended. For timing I'm doing it, click on here don't allow. Then of course we will take back, and when we back, then check it out, so that remove the permission free up in this face. Of course we will have to make it disable. Then one more time we will have to back, and once again we will come on a especially browsing app. Here is a yes to, of course we will have to pick in the Opera. So it means it hasn't been installed the proper way. So now it's still installing. We will have to wait here few seconds more. Then of course we will pick in that option, and upon the further we will go for hiring these things. So we will come to Play Store. Let's see how much percentage has been installed. 98% is almost 99% is of course now it has started to install quickly. So it's installing. So let's come on once again in a Chrome browser. In the Chrome browser, of course, click on App Info, and by holding it we will come on here, and thereupon we will click on a special browsing apps and the browsing apps, and then of course now here we have some this for the Opera options. We will pick some these ones. Now let's open this browser and we will check it out here. We will have to accept all the terms and condition of this browser. So we will go in now It's now the welcoming files. We will go for the next, so we don't have much more time to do. Especially we will click on here the allow. So let's go for the allow that. Now it's loading, and here is loading. So then of course we will pick this one. So directly we will come to this browser, and here on this special links. Now here what we will have to do, simply we will have to write here Google Help. So where it is, we will, yes, we will write here Google Help. So when we will click on a helps, then tap on this. So now we are on here. Just do it in this strategy. Take on a smartphones and apply this and see here what's the result will becoming. Now so we will come on a special Gmail. So if you are having this kind of the problem, don't worry. Just apply a similar strategy, guys. Now here is how to recover Gmail accounts, Google accounts or Gmail. So these all are similar. A little bit, of course. Here is a directly arrow. Of course we will click on this arrow. So when we will tap on it, and then here's indirectly would be. Now here what we will have to, guys, just we will write on here, and when we the picking, just to click on the next, and when we tap on the next, then of course let's have the furthermore. Yes, try another way, because we don't have. So now this phone is a thing that we will have to wait here. Wait few seconds, because when it will be highlighted, then of course we will have to apply it. So otherwise we will have the problem. Now it has been highlighted. Fine, we will go for here. It was checking a server. Yeah, so because already customized the location, so that's why. Now so we have the clicks. By try another way, we will go first. Now the phone number is the swing, so that of course 52, last one 2 digit. If you know, if you have, then of course you can. Otherwise click here, don't have. Yes, we will go with this, especially by this. Now distinction the motives to recover these accounts. Yes, this is only one, not. We have also the answer as many questions as we can. And second is the especially user device where the sign have. We have the sign in the before. Third is also that if there is any alternative email that is linked with especially this are, then of course on that Google will send especially the emails to especially the chance or reset the by all the options we will especially quits we will offer, we will accept this offer. That's motives to recover these accounts. This is a comics means without having the recovery email and the recovery phones, of course you can reset particulars in this emails because it is not a phrase. So how can I? Of course, don't click on here. We will take assistant by alternative approach. I have already mentioned to you that. I will show you that it tracks. Yes, we will come on a setting. Yes, to take any smartphones, we will go in there, of course, by all these changes and upon come in a setting. Setting you will have options that Google preference and services. Tap on it. Now here is a 3 dot. Just click on here, and we will have option that is a help options. When we will click on a help options, and then of course here is a conscience in this account. So now that we can see. When we will click, here is option that you forgot your password, you forgot your username, email address. I know your username or especially password, but you can't silence. Yes, you think someone else is using. So losing device, of course, definitely someone is using. You are having the trouble to with this. Yes, you can't reset off Google by texting. So no, these all are loops. Just picture this separation of especially you think someone else is using. It's the coming in the hacking, of course. That's why so Google will assist you too much. Now here is especially that secure these accounts. First we will have to tap on it. When we tap on the secure these accounts, now you will have option that is review your account activities. When we tap on this, then here is option that find out if your account has been hacked. Tap on it, and when we tap on the find out your accounts down here, just we will come there, scroll up, and here is the recovery page. Just to tap on it. When we tap on the recovery page, now here is a special options to yes, click on here, and just simply we will go for here to next. Now see here what we will have to do. Just don't click on especially continue. Why it shows because you would be trapping it to verify your options. So if you tap on especially that you don't have the recovery phones, email, so that by having the OTP you can reset. So that's why click on the enable, and of course we will come on especially change the password. When we will click on change the password, then you will have the strong opportunity to create the new password, confirm the new password, and upon change it, and upon we will go the inside to manage your account. Yes, we will have options. Manage your Gmail accounts. When we will click on the manage your Gmail accounts, we will have option the security. In security option, there is especially adding the recovery emails. Firstly, you will have to add the recovery email. After adding the recovery emails, then by having the OTP on the recovery emails, remove especially register the recovery phone number and add a new phone number, so that fully permanently your account would be secure, guys. Otherwise, of course, as we know that still your account is not secured. So this is all about to know more informations, of course, or any confusions, and then drop the query in the comments box. A pleasure would be mine to reply your query. And yes, how do you like this tutorial? If it is informative, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this concept, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to make it such as an informative tutorial on this channel, and they can of course privilege anyone who is having or requesting this kind of information by free, of course, and who is worried about his Gmail. Do a similar strategy. So this is all about. Thank you for visiting Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.